Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you how to make mermaid scale nail art using clay gel. The design may look very complicated, but it's actually very easy to make. You just need to spread the clay gel and use things you have at home to stamp out the scales. The design is a little different from the mermaid nails you've seen before, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. In this video, I'll be applying it to nail tips, but if you're applying it to your own nails, start with nail care, lightly sand the surface, remove oil with ethanol, and then apply a base coat and let it cure. First, apply the magnetic gel as a base color. In this case, we will be using a sky blue magnetic gel. After applying the magnetic gel all over, prepare a magnet and make the magnetic particles sparkle. Slowly move the magnet from the outside of the nail and twist it inward to move the sparkly particles to the left side. Apply the magnet from the top, bottom, left and right in the same way to make the entire nail sparkle. Once the entire nail is sparkling, cure. Normally, color gel is applied twice, but in this case, we want to keep the translucent effect, so we'll apply it once. Next, we'll be rubbing on the Aurora powder. So first, we'll apply a no-wipe top coat to the entire nail. When using powder-based products such as Aurora powder or mirror powder, be sure to apply a no-wipe top coat and cure it before rubbing on the powder. Once you've finished applying it to the entire nail, cure it. Next, we'll apply the Aurora powder. In this case, we'll be using the pink Aurora powder. Take some powder on an eyeshadow tip or your finger and rub it all over the nail. Once you've rubbed it all over the nail, use a soft brush to brush off any excess powder. Next, apply a clear gel such as base coat to coat the Aurora powder. You can skip this step, but we recommend applying clear gel as it makes the Aurora powder sparkle more beautifully. Once you have applied it all over, cure it. Now that the base color is complete, let's move on to creating the scales. This is the clay gel we use. Cut this into small pieces with a wooden stick and remove it. Once you've removed the clay gel, spread it out on your nail. as there is a possibility of causing a gel allergy. Avoid touching it directly with your hands. Either wear gloves or use a silicone stick to avoid touching it directly with your hands. When spreading the clay gel, try to make it about 1 millimeter thick. Once you've spread it all over, use something you have at home to stamp it. Here we'll use a straw. A normal size straw with a diameter of 6 millimeter. First, cut the straw to a length that's easy to hold. And then cut the tip at an angle. Crush the long end of the cut straw lengthwise like this, and only make a crease on the long end. Next, cut this part of the tip at an angle. This completes the preparation for the straw. Now, let's use this straw to make the scales. Press the pointed end of the straw towards the base of your nail. Once you have made one scale in the middle, make the same on the left and right. Once you have made one row of scales, press the second row in the same way. Be careful not to press the straw all the way down onto the first layer of scales. Repeat the process for the third and fourth layers. Once the entire nail has been embossed, prepare small pearls and place them between the scales. You can use whatever you like here, such as bullions or crystals. Once you have placed the pearls, use a silicone stick to gently smooth out any excess clay gel that has oozed out of the nail. Once you have smoothed out the clay gel so that it doesn't ooze out of the nail, harden it for 1 minute under a nail light. Finally, apply a no-wipe top coat to the entire nail to finish it off. Be sure to apply just a tiny bit of gel so that the scale pattern doesn't get covered in gel. Once you've applied the gel to the entire nail, cure it. That completes the process. Using clay gel, you can create a 3-dimensional mermaid scale pattern simply by stamping it. How did you like the mermaid scale nail art made with clay gel? They are really easy to make, so please give them a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.